search JDK for window if your machine is window, and now click on a Java asset development kit, download, accept the license agreement, click on a window 64 or 32-bit, that depend on your machine OS. Now it is downloading, but now I am cancelling it because I have already downloaded. I am installing this. Now I am checking if the class path is defined or not. Class path is not defined, so that's why it is showing this. Now it's open. Wait for a moment when it's open and click on next. It will install. It will take a time, so wait for a moment to install. After installing it, I will check the class path. So it is installing. Wait for a moment to complete install. Installing, guys, installing. This is installing. It is taking time depend on the processor speed and RAM. Now it is installed. Now it is completely installed. Now I am checking key. Now I am defining a class path. So go to Java JDK bin and copy this whole URL and paste it to the